Small and medium-sized business owners, is your business prepared to be able to defend against the rising threat of ransomware attacks? In this video, I'm going to provide essential steps to protect your valuable data from ransomware and to be able to keep your business operations running smoothly. Ransomware is a type of malicious software that encrypts your files, your devices, and holds them hostage until a ransom's paid. Here are 3 actionable steps to strengthen your defense against ransomware attacks. Step 1 is to back up your data regularly and securely. You need to implement automated backup process that stores and copies your critical files offline or in the cloud. Remember that offline backups are immune to ransomware encryption because they're not connected, they can't get access to them. Step 2 is to keep your software and systems up to date. Regularly install security patches and updates to address vulnerabilities that ransomware can exploit. Step 3 is to train employees to be vigilant. So they need to be skeptical. You need to teach them how to identify phishing emails, suspicious attachments, malicious links. They need to question everything that's coming in that's either urgent or is requesting sensitive information. By implementing these proactive measures, you can significantly reduce the risk of falling victim to ransomware attacks, but also you're able to protect your business's sensitive information, which is going to cost you a lot of money, and it can also cost a huge reputational damage, which is just as expensive.